What's going on? Welcome back again. I am going to do yet another monthly update for you guys. This is for the month of May of 2022. This was another average month. The last couple months have been way above average. This one, I had not put a lot of stuff on eBay again. It's summertime and I've been busy, so I haven't been able to devote all my time to this. So I did still sell a bunch and made a good amount of money, but I obviously did not live up to the expectations of the last couple months. I'm gonna show you guys what I sold. I sold 10 items this month. I'm gonna show them to you now and then we will talk about it after. Mercedes-Benz radio module, $45 plus $5 shipping. Nissan Altima headlight, $80 plus $25 shipping. BMW auxiliary radiator, $150 plus $15 shipping. Mini Cooper headlight, $115 plus $20 shipping. Dodge Ram air shutter, $275 plus $25 shipping. Mercedes-Benz radio module, $50 plus $5 shipping. GM truck fog light, $60 plus $10 shipping. BMW 5 Series fog light, $75 plus $8 shipping. BMW X3 headlight, $200 plus $25 shipping. And Ford Mustang fog light, $300 plus $15 shipping. So that's 10 items. That's usually what I do per month. Like I said, I have not put a lot more things on eBay. Those 10 items added up to $1,350 plus $153 paid by the buyers for shipping. It was $175 to ship everything out, so I did lose some money on the shipping costs. And then minus $172 in eBay fees. And I ended up with $1,156 left for profit. That is basically what I usually do per month, so I cannot complain. Even though I did only sell 10 items compared to the 21 items last month, I still made a good amount of money. I actually sold that Ford Mustang fog light on the last day of May for $300. So without that, I would have been a lot lower. It comes out to $115 average per item, so that is not terrible. I usually stay right around 100, so 115 is still pretty good. Between everything I've sold in the last couple of months, I've sold a ton, so my eBay listings are down a little bit. So this month I do have to get more things listed on there, so hopefully I can get more money and make a better profit. I did not list anything on eBay in the whole month of May, so I need to sit down in the next week or two and put a lot more stuff on there. I do have a bunch sitting here at the house that need to be listed, and obviously if you don't list it, no one is gonna find it. So it's hard to make money that way. So I will get back to listing everything, and then hopefully the next couple months will be very good for me. It is summertime, so it is obviously a little bit busier also to be able to do all of this stuff. So that's about it. Just another monthly update. If you guys are looking for what you can sell and what kind of prices you can get, you can look through all my monthly update videos. I show you guys everything that I've sold and how much money I've sold it for. If this is something you guys like, please subscribe so you can stick around and see more videos about how to part out cars and sell car parts online. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.